The art of gift giving can be a wonderful way to show appreciation and bring joy to others. However, it's no secret that buying gifts can sometimes strain our wallets. Fear not, for there are plenty of ways to save money on gifts without sacrificing thoughtfulness or quality. One effective strategy to save money on gifts is to plan ahead. By thinking about upcoming occasions in advance, you can take advantage of sales and discounts. Keep an eye out for sales throughout the year, such as Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and consider purchasing gifts during these times. This way, you can find great deals on items that your loved ones will appreciate without breaking the bank. Another way to save money is to consider DIY gifts. Handmade presents can be incredibly meaningful and show that you've put thought and effort into the gift. Whether it's a beautifully crafted piece of artwork, a knitted scarf, or a personalized photo album, DIY gifts can be a great way to save money while still creating something special for your loved ones. Additionally, consider setting a budget for each gift. By determining how much you're willing to spend beforehand, you can avoid overspending and keep your gift expenses in check. It may also be helpful to make a list of everyone you need to buy gifts for and allocate a specific amount for each person. This way you can ensure that you're staying within your budget while still giving thoughtful gifts to each person. One often overlooked strategy is to take advantage of loyalty programs and discounts. Many stores offer loyalty cards or membership programs that provide exclusive discounts, coupons, or points that can be redeemed for future purchases. Signing up for these programs can help you save money not only on gifts, but on other purchases as well. It may also be worthwhile to check if any of the stores you plan to shop at have a price match policy. This means that if you find the same item at a lower price elsewhere, the store will match that price, allowing you to get the best deal possible. Another approach to save money is to consider giving experiences instead of physical items. Instead of buying a material gift, you could treat someone to a concert, a spa day, or a weekend getaway. Not only can experiences create lasting memories, but they can also often be more budget-friendly than purchasing expensive items. Plus, experiences can be tailored to fit the interests and preferences of the recipient, making the gift even more thoughtful and personal. If you have a group of friends or family members who typically exchange gifts, consider suggesting a gift exchange or a secret Santa. Rather than buying individual gifts for each person, each participant can draw the name of one person and buy a gift for them. Setting a budget for the gift exchange can help ensure that everyone receives a thoughtful gift without anyone feeling financially burdened. Lastly, it's important to remember that the value of a gift is not solely determined by its price tag. The thought and care behind a gift are often what make it truly special. Taking the time to learn about the recipient's interests and preferences and choosing a gift that shows you appreciate and understand them can have a much greater impact than a pricey item. In conclusion, saving money on gifts doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice thoughtfulness or quality. By planning ahead, considering DIY gifts, setting a budget, taking advantage of discounts and loyalty programs, giving experiences, suggesting gift exchanges, and focusing on the thought behind the gift, you can give meaningful and heartfelt gifts while staying within your budget. Remember, it's the sentiment that counts, and with a little creativity, you can give memorable gifts without breaking the bank.